Hi guys, my name's Corinne with Equipment Zone, and I am here with Paul Morales, the product manager over the G9070 at Epson. We're going to talk a little bit about the printer today, and yeah, he's going to tell us some cool, fun facts.
So the G9070, we've been in development for quite a while now, and the development of this product was based on customer feedback out in the market. So we targeted high volume production facilities to figure out what they want, what they need, what they're not currently getting, and all of that thought process and customer feedback went into the development of this product. One of the things we saw that was most common at these facilities is they have an employee whose job it is to stand by the printer and keep an eye on it while it's running.
Yep.
What we designed this printer to be is it just works, there's no babysitting required. The way that that's made possible is we have auto maintenance functionality built right into the machine, so a user doesn't have to stop the machine to perform cleaning.
And what kind of customers do you guys think would be interested in a unit like this?
Anybody that's doing very high volume DTF production, especially gang sheet fulfillment, somebody that's running multiple rolls a day that needs a workhorse that's reliable and dependable, ready for when they need it, but also somebody that does not want to experience downtime.
So everybody talks about the i3200 printheads, but we noticed that on this one it's a little bit different. Can you tell us about that?
Absolutely. So we use an all new, completely different and exclusive printhead, and you can actually see it in the display behind us. It's our PrecisionCore Micro TFP printhead, but it has 12 chips on it. Oh, it's a massive printhead, and the cool part about it is it's factory aligned, so you don't have to worry about aligning multiple heads together. And it's also user replaceable. So under our service plans and coverage, if something were to happen, users can replace the printhead themselves. There's no tools required, and in just a couple of hours, they can be back up and running very quickly.
That is amazing. People are gonna love that. And then tell me a little bit about the warranty for the G9070.
So it comes with our standard limited warranty for 1 year that covers parts, labor, and travel fee.
Awesome.
But anybody can extend that coverage for up to a total of 5 years. And that covers everything on the printer. And if they choose to change the printheads themselves, should that be required, we also have the printhead self-service plan. We cover everything, the user handles the printhead, but if they don't feel comfortable doing that, we still offer full service plans where we come out and do all of the service, including changing printheads.
That is awesome. And I want you guys to take note that it is currently hooked up to 2 of our EasyJet Pro 24-inch shakers, allowing them to do a twin roll configuration for printing. But I want you to keep note that this handles media up to a total of 64-inch wide capacity, which gives you a lot of versatility and options with this printer. Pretty cool. And then I wanted to ask you about the speed. I heard that this thing prints pretty fast.
Absolutely. So the 2 speeds that we've been talking about at the show is what we're running today. And in our dual layer configuration, which is CMYK and white, we can print up to about 350 square feet per hour.
Oh my God.
If somebody needs to do single layer, for example, a white only logo, similar to what I'm wearing right here, I can produce print speeds up to 650 square feet per hour. So it's about 3 to 6 times faster than our SureColor G9070 series.
That is super cool. We are so excited for this. Now tell me, now the question is, when can we get it? When's shipping?
We start shipping this summer, but we have begun taking pre-orders from our dealers at this show.
Amazing, which I do want to note to you guys, we currently already have a package built with both of these shakers included in it. And we'll be upsizing soon and getting a 64-inch unit. But thank you so much, Paul, for your time today. We really appreciate it, and we're super excited.
My pleasure, as are we. Thank you.